It is just after 6 in the morning. The rest of the house is still and quiet. Mike is in the kitchen. Everyone else is asleep. He fills the kettle at the sink and sets it on the stove. He takes his mug from the cupboard, the same ceramic mug he uses every morning. It has a small chip near the handle. He has never considered replacing it. The kitchen is cold. He is still wearing the t-shirt and shorts he slept in. The kettle begins to tick and hiss as the water heats up. He leans against the counter and waits. When it boils, he pours the water slowly into the mug. The coffee blooms as the hot water hits it. The smell reaches him right away. He wraps both hands around the mug. The ceramic is already warm. He knows it is too hot to drink. He can feel the heat through the ceramic, but he lifts it to his mouth anyway. The first sip burns his lip, not badly, but enough that he sets the mug straight back down. He exhales. He knew that was going to happen. He looks out the window. It is still dark outside, the kind of dark that comes just before the light shifts. He picks up his phone from the counter, glances at it, and sets it down again. There is nothing he needs to check. He just wanted to do something with his hands. He looks back at the mug. A thin thread of steam is still rising from it. He picks it up again and blows on it gently. Another sip. Still a little too warm, but close. He stays at the window. Outside, a bird begins to sing, unhurried, somewhere in the trees nearby. He does not try to find it, he just listens. There is something about a bird singing in the near dark that feels almost private, like it is only for him. He takes another sip. This time, it is exactly right, smooth, warm, and good. He closes his eyes just for a moment. When he opens them, the sky has started to lighten. No sunrise yet, just the first gray softening at the edges of the dark. He does not want to sit down yet. The kitchen feels different before the day begins. He finishes the last of his coffee. The mug is still warm in his hands. He rinses it at the sink and sets it on the drying rack. He looks out one more time. The sky is lighter now. The bird has stopped singing. He is not in a hurry. There is still a little time before the house wakes up.